Introducing the Holiday Sentiment Duos. Now this stamp set is going to be one that you will reach for time and time again when it comes to the holiday period. This set has got a selection of stamps with awesome selection of sentiments to cover Christmas, New Year, and more generic holidays, as well as some Thanksgiving and Halloween as well. So each of the stamps in this set has got a larger sentiment at the top, and then underneath there is a smaller sentiment or sub-sentiment that is perfectly sized to use on your card. So it looks great on portrait cards like this, but of course you can add it to landscape cards here. Now the other fantastic thing about this stamp set is that you can actually mask off the sections that you maybe don't want to stamp. So we have done that for this card here. As you can see, it just says Happy Holidays, and that's what we've done is we've used some Heffy tape here to cover up the sub-sentiment before inking and embossing that on there. Likewise, you can actually do some two-tone stamping in exactly the same way. Cover up the ones that you don't want to stamp first of all, and then add different colors of ink to each section of the stamp. Now you can go ahead and cut them in the middle if you want to do that, but we find it easy to mask, so just do whatever suits you. We have got Happy Holidays, enjoy the magic this holiday season. This is what we've added to this card here. We've also got Happy Halloween, hope you have a simply spooktacular day. Happy Thanksgiving, I'm so thankful that you are part of my life. That's great for your Thanksgiving cards. Another one, Happy Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. And we have also got Merry Christmas. Here's to a season of warmth, comfort and joy. Then we've got Merry and Bright, sending joy and love to you this Christmas. Season's greeting, may your heart be filled with laughter and joy. And then Happy New Year, may the good cheer last throughout the year. So this stamp set is similar in design to a previously released set, which is called the Everyday Sentiment Duos, which you guys loved. So we thought that we would extend this range by bringing in some holiday sentiments for you guys to use. So that is the Holiday Sentiment Duos.